Hey everyone, I still hear a lot of people talking about what is a life coach, how a life coach can help me, and for what reasons should I go to a life coach. A lot of people also have many inhibitions on how they should approach a life coach because they feel that they will be tagged as someone with a mental disorder. That is the reason why, friends, I'm coming up with this video today which talks about what is a life coach and how a life coach can help you change the direction of your life. Hi everyone, I'm Swati Arora. I'm an NLP practitioner and a certified life and business coach, and today I'm going to talk about how a life coach can help you change the direction of your life. Before we go ahead, hit the subscribe button because this channel is going to give you a lot of information videos. So the first thing that life coaching will do to you is take you on a journey of self-discovery. When I say self-discovery, most of us are battling between different identities, three different facets of identities. One is our real self, one is an image of what we carry about ourselves, and the other is the perception that people have about us. And in the bargain, we actually lose track of who we actually are. That's what life coaching will help us deal with. It'll help us relate to who we actually are. It'll take us into a deeper dive of understanding our own self, understanding our core values, our core beliefs, understanding our strengths, our capabilities, our weaknesses as well, and also help us grow them or nurture them. I keep saying this that all our life we've been grown in such a way that we tend to understand others better because we generally know others what they want. We know what our parents want, we know what our siblings want, we know what our partners want, but we don't know what we want. We don't hear our own voice. So life coaching will let you hear your own voice as to what you desire. What does your heart desire? What are your passions? What is your purpose of your life? What is the meaning of your life? That is a deeper understanding that a life coaching phenomena will help you derive. The next one, friends, is that life coach will offer you an open space to talk about your problems. I feel, friends, that if you are able to talk it out, vent out your problems, half your problems are anyways going to be solved. You will come out with the solutions for your own problems if you are able to vent out your problems in front of someone. And unfortunately, in today's fast-paced world, everyone is in a hustle. Everyone just wants to talk and not sit back and understand or listen to someone. This is exactly what a life coach will do for you. He will give you an unjudgmental, unbiased space so that you can talk your heart out and you can come out with the solutions for your own problems. We always feel judged when we talk to our people. We feel that if you go to our parents, they will shrug us off. If we go to our friends, they will actually judge us. Or if we go to our partners, we've kept a lot of secrets from them, so we can't talk to them about it. So whom do you go in that situation? This is what you can do. You can go to a life coach, talk about all your problems, and he or she will be able to listen to you carefully and also come out with solutions for your own problems. The next one is the life coach will help you set a direction in your life. Goal setting is an integral part of life coaching. At whatever sphere of life you are, whether you're a student, whether you're a career professional, whether you're a salaried person, whether you're self-employed, or even if you're a housewife or a retired professional, everyone has goals in life. Without goals, there is no life. It's like living your life without oxygen, right? So life coach will help you set a very clear, crisp goal in your life, short-term goal, long-term goal, and also an aspirational goal. And he or she will actually help you define milestones in that goal-setting path. He will help you plan out the entire goal for you so that you know exactly what you want to achieve and how you will be able to achieve that. If you have that articulated very well, crisp and clear in front of you, half your journey will easily be achieved because you know exactly how to achieve that goal in life. Accountability is also an important element of life coaching. Now, a lot of people are very good at goal setting. A lot of people are very good at planning as well. They know exactly what they want. They know exactly how they want to achieve. But somewhere in the middle of the journey, they just drop it off. They just drop the ball. Why? Because they don't have an accountability factor. They don't have an external mechanism which is actually driving them or pushing them towards their goal. This is where the life coach will play an integral role for you. He or she will work with you in tandem with you as an accountability accountability partner who will be regularly reviewing your goals, who will be regularly checking what you're achieving, whether you're achieving what you had set out for yourself or not, how you can improvise on your goals every now and then, and how you can actually better your performance, just like an external review mechanism. This is a very important element of life coaching, because a lot of people, especially who are procrastinators, tend to fall back or tend to leave out on their journey just because they start out something very good but they lose the motivation of doing it continuously in sync. You know, for example, a lot of people go to the gym, first 4-5 days they will go regularly. 6th day they will say, I drop, I don't think it's my cup of tea. Or if you start a business, 1 month you will be in full rigor of doing that business. You will do everything required. You will do all the creatives, you will do all the marketing, you will meet the investors, everything. But on the next month, something will go wrong, some roadblock will come and you will drop the ball. So this is exactly what the life coach will help you do. He will not let you drop the ball. He will be your accountability partner in that journey to success and will regularly review your performance and tell you where you need to upskill yourself. Life coaching also helps us build nurtured relationships. Humans are social beings and we all want nurtured and happy and long-lasting relationships with others. But with the growing disparity, with the cross-cultural differences, with the kind of hustling life that we have, and with a lot of pressurous environment, a lot of times we tend to lose out on our relationships because of these issues. That's exactly what life coaching will help you do. Life coaching will enable you to understand different people's perspective in a better way. It'll make you more empathetic towards people. It'll help you have value towards what you have, show gratitude towards what you already have, and will help you have sustained relationships, long-lasting relationships with your people around. So that's it from my side for today, friends. While life coaching is a lot more than all of this, but I just thought, I'll touch base on some critical elements of life coaching in today's video. Stay tuned. I'm going to come up with some more videos on life coaching and business coaching in my upcoming series. Till then, take care, stay safe, and keep watching my channel. Bye.